Sir, isa pang sinabi po ni former SP Enrile, yung pag-return is improper and unparliamentary. Reaction lang din po.
Very ano po yan, no? Very welcome yung ganyan nga na mga opinion kasi it adds to the conversation. Lalong-lalo na po, alam naman natin na si Senator Enrile ay very wise at very knowledgeable about the law. However, he was not the one confronted with the motion. He was not one of the senator judges. He is not the senator sitting as one of the senator judges in the impeachment court. And I think the collective wisdom of the impeachment court should be respected on the actions that it did. Now, if ever meron pa pong hindi makatanggap nung majority vote na 18-5 at nung action ng impeachment court, sabi po namin nga, the final arbiter of all of these issues is the Supreme Court. So they just have to go to the Supreme Court kung gusto talaga nilang malinawan. But kung hindi po sila pumupunta sa Supreme Court, wag po nilang itry ito sa Court of Public Opinion at ano po, no, maniwala kayo doon sa collective wisdom ng ating impeachment court.
Sir, last na lang po sa akin.